The campaign for a Binance US listing has begun for Terra Luna Classic. The Terra Luna Classic community are already massively pushing for a Binance US listing. According to messages and posts circulating on Twitter and on Reddit, Kraken has no plan on going forward with the delisting of Terra Luna Classic Luna, to be precise. Nothing officially has been announced yet, but if true, this clears the following the recent review, it has been decided not to proceed with the delisting of the Luna token from our platform. The Luna token they are referring to here is the Terra Luna Classic, the LUNC. The other Luna point 2 is the Luna, the one that has a ticker symbol Luna. So I think there's a lot of confusion between the both token, the Luna and the Terra Luna Classic, which is the LUNC. So the Luna they are referring to here is the LUNC you get, and from their platform. For this reason, the asset remains available for both funding and trading opportunities. So the initial delisting date was December 12, 2025, and we've already passed that date. Today is December 14th, 2025. So since the Terra Luna Classic token, all the Luna token are still trading on Kraken, then I think they are not going to actually go forward with the listing anymore. A lot of people have reached out to them for clarification, and the answer they've gotten is all the same. Now, this individual reached out to the team as well, and they say, we would like to inform you that we have decided not to delist Luna. This means that you can continue to trade, convert, and deposit Luna. You get? So they are not going forward with the delisting anymore. Now, if you ask me, this is a welcome development and a bullish news for the Terra Luna Classic community. LUNC is currently trading around 0.000042. I don't fully trust this lower time frame support. That's why they are called lower time frame support, because they are low probability support territory. So we broke past through that support, the first lower time frame support. We are currently retesting it as a resistance. Now, if this retest is confirmed, then we should expect further price drop to this next price area around 0.000037 zone for Terra Luna Classic. You get, if that support is not able to hold, then you all should get ready for a full retrace, like I've drawn you guys attention to countless times. This is the daily time frame, and a full retrace will bring the Terra Luna Classic token, the LUNC, back to around 0.000031 and also 0.000028 territory. So you all should get ready to bag more by the time we get to that territory. Now, Luna is also currently in a corrective phase. I gave you guys a heads up yesterday as well, and we are currently seated at 16 cents, close to the first potential support territory around 15 cents. Now, the most high probability support territory for this Luna token is the 10 cent zone. So if you want to bag heavily, I think it will be wise to pay attention to the 10 cent territory for Luna Classic. This is the economic calendar for the week. We have NFP on Tuesday and CPI on Thursday. So we have two major news coming up this week. It looks like this week is going to be a very, very volatile week. As you can see, Toshi is down minus 2.7% in the last 24 hours. Luna is down minus 6.6% in the last 24 hours. If you're going back here, Jasmine is down minus 2.8%, CBCN minus 3.8%, XCN minus 1.3% in the last 24 hours. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently seated at 21%, indicating extreme fear. And yesterday was 23%. I think we've dipped further to the downside, gone backward a little bit. Today is 14th of December 2025. Sooner or later, we should begin to move to the neutral territory and also greed and extreme greed territory come Q1 2026. For the entire market and for our altcoin bag as well. Now, the BOJ, which is the Bank of Japanese, could hike rate come December 19th, 2025. And if you guys are paying attention, the last time they hiked their rate, 18th of March 2014, BTC dumped minus 22%. and the altcoin market dipped aggressively as well. The second most recent hike rate was 31st of July 2024. BTC dipped minus 25%. The most recent hike rate was in January 24th, 2025. And BTC dumped minus 30% when that happened. If we get another rate hike come 19th of December 2025 from the Bank of Japan, then the market is likely to dump further to the downside, I think marking the bottom of the market. Depending on how significant the drop of BTC is, if we are to dump another even 20% for BTC, it is going to be disastrous, like seriously, because if you're paying attention, a minus 18% drop for BTC is going to drop BTC to around 73k. The 73k zone is a zone you all should pay attention to. That zone is very, very important for BTC, because the moment we are losing the $84,000 territory price, then we all should expect BTC to begin to make our way to the $70,000 territory. You understand? I'm talking about the $73,000, $74,000, $75,000 territory for BTC. And if that is happening, then the entire market is going to dump aggressively to the downside as well, marking the market bottom for this quarter 4 2025.